Let us see next problem of repeated integral. So, evaluate this integral 0 to a, integral 0 to under root a square minus x square of a square minus y square raised to 3 by 2 dy dx. So, what you have to do is you have to evaluate this integral by reversing the order of integration. So, first you reverse this, means it make it first with respect to x and then you evaluate. Okay. So, first of all see what are the limits of y now. So, limits of y are by given y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 0 to y is equal to under root a square minus x square. So, therefore, by given y runs from 0 to under root a square minus x square, that is y is equal to 0 and y is equal to under root a square minus x square, and x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. So, these are the limits of x runs from 0 to a and y runs from 0 to under root a square minus x square. Now, from the limits of y, what you observe is here y is equal to under root a square minus x square. So, this implies y square is equal to a square minus x square, or take this x square to this side, x square plus y square is equal to a square, and this is nothing but a circle. So, your y runs from 0 to boundary of the circle, your y reaches up to boundary of the circle. Now, here we will plot the graph now. So, to plot the graph, see first of all, okay. So, always whenever you are having a circle, okay. So, always first of all it is always easy to have a circle first, so that later on it becomes easy for you to draw the x axis and y axis, so that it looks symmetrical. So, suppose this is my circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now, see another limits. Now, x is equal to a. Where is x is equal to a? This is origin, and what is this point? This point is a comma 0, because this radius is a. So, you have to draw another line, okay. So, which is this line is, yes, what is this line? X is equal to a. Now, see I have all the lines now, x is equal to 0. Where is x is equal to 0? This is nothing but x is equal to 0, that is y axis. This is x axis, this is your x axis, okay. And what is equation of x axis? That is y is equal to 0. So, thus you have all the 3 lines, x is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to 0. Now, and this circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now, see what is the region of integration. Now, to see the region of integration, see the region which lies between all these lines. So, I will start with x. So, x is equal to, what are the limits of x now? X is runs from 0 to a. So, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. So, region between these two lines. Then y is equal to 0 and y is equal to root of a square minus x square, means up to the boundary. So, y is equal to 0. So, y is equal to 0 is x axis, x axis, y is equal to 0 and up to the circle. So, up to the circle. So, this is what is your region of integration. So, this is the first quadrant is the region of integration, okay. So, the coordinates of this point are a comma 0, and on this boundary, on the boundary of the circle, y is under root a square minus x square, under root a square minus x square. So, this is our region of integration. Now, to make the integral first with respect to x, we have to change the order of integration. So, to make it first with respect to x, take a strip take a strip or a line in this region parallel to x-axis, and move the strip in this region of integration. So that means move it along y-axis. So this strip will move from this to from this line to up to this point. Okay, so this line will move from this line to this line. Now see what are the limits of integration now when we move this line. So is it clear to everybody? See once again, to make the integral first with respect to x, we take a line or a strip parallel to x-axis in the region of integration, and we will move it in the region of integration along y-axis. Take a line parallel to x-axis and move it in the direction of y-axis in this region, so that whole of the region will be covered. Okay. So now this line will move from yes, the line or the strip moves from yes, the strip moves from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to yes, what is y here? Yes, the strip will move from this to this up to this point. So what is y here? Yes, here is 0 comma a. So coordinates of this point are 0 comma a. Okay, 0 comma a. So it y runs from 0 to a. So this will move from this point to this point. Okay. So y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. And now to find the limits of x, see the left end and right end of the strip, or lower end and upper end. Here there is no lower, because for a vertical line you will have lower end, upper end, but here it is, the strip is horizontal, so it has left end and right end. So its left end and its left end lies on this line. On this line, what is the equation of this line? X is equal to 0, and right end lies on where is the right end? On this circle. On the circle, what is x? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Therefore x is on the circle, x square is a square minus y square, and x will be equal to under root a square minus y square. Plus minus, it will be actually plus minus, because take this y square to this side and you will get the limits as x is equal to plus minus, but we are in the first quadrant, therefore only plus. So no need to write plus sign, and its left hand lies on x is equal to under root a square minus y square. Therefore limits of integration are, what are the limits? Y runs from 0 to a and x runs from 0 to under root a square minus y square. Thus I have the limits. Now consider your integral. Okay, so I have taken a strip and move it along y axis, so it will move from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to up to this point y is equal to a. Its left hand lies on x is equal to 0 and right is on the circle. So therefore on the circle x is root of a square minus y square. Now consider your integral. Okay, so let I is equal to integral. What is the given integral? 0 to under root a square minus x square, integral of a square minus y square raised to 3 by 2 and dy dx. Now we will make it first with respect to y. So this is equal to integral. Now we want to make the integral first with respect to y. So integrand will be as it is. We want to make it first with respect to x. So limits of x here, what are the limits of x? 0 to a square under root a square minus y square, under root a square minus y square, and the limits of y runs from 0 to a. Okay. So these are the limits of y and limits of x. Now evaluate this integral. This is equal to now integral 0 to a. Now with respect to x, this quantity, it consists of only, this is a constant, and this is a term in y. So whole of this is constant with respect to x. So we will write it as it is, or we will take it outside this integral, this first integral, because it is with respect to x. Okay. And now you integral of now dx, integral of dx is x over 0 to under root a square minus y square, and this is with respect to y. So what I have is integral 0 to a square minus y square raised to 3 by 2. Put upper limit minus lower limit. So this is upper limit is root of a square minus y square. Okay. With upper limit is this and lower limit 0. So no need to write. So this is with respect to y. Okay. This is with respect to y. This is equal to, now this is root means power half, and this is 3 by 2. So integral 0 to a square minus y square, I may write a square minus y square raised to half dy. So this is equal to integral, I will write clearly. So integral 0 to a square minus y square. Now 3 by 2 plus half, 3 by 2 plus half is 2, 4 by 2 means 2. So dy. Therefore I will write here I is equal to now integral 0 to a square minus y square bracket square with respect to y. This equals integral 0 to a, just you square this, a raised to 4 minus 2 a square y square plus y raised to 4 and with respect to y. So this is equal to, now just you take the integral. So therefore a raised to 4y minus 2a square, integral of y square is y cube by 3 plus y raised to 5 by 5, and integrals are over 0 to a, because integral of y square is y cube by 3. This is a constant, a raised to 4 is constant, so it's integral a raised to 4 dy, a raised to 4 dy will be a raised to 4y, and integral of y raised to 4 is y raised to 5 by 5. Now upper limit minus lower limit, no question of lower limit, because everywhere there is y and integral will be 0. So this equals, just put everywhere a, so a raised to 4 into a minus 2a square into a cube by 3 plus a raised to 5 by 5. Okay, so this equals a raised to 5 minus 2 by 3 a raised to 5 plus 1 by 5 into a raised to 5. Take a raised to 5 common, So, what you will get is 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 a raised to 5. So, this is equal to, take 15 as LCM. So, here there will be 15 because there is no denominator. So, 15 minus 3 5 is a 15. So, this is 10, 5 to the 10 plus 3, 5 3 is a 15. So, multiply it by 3. So, this into a raised to 5. So, this is equal to so 15 minus 10, 5 plus 3, that is 8. So, 8 by 15 a raised to 5. So, therefore I is equal to, the final answer is 8 by 15 a raised to 5. So, this is our final answer. So, answer of the given problem, integral is I is equal to 8 by 15 a raised to 5. So, this is how the iterated integral, by reversing the order of integration, we have evaluated, making it first with respect to x and have the final answer like this.